what up YouTube? It's your favorite cousin the Real Masilva Mafethu. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Bona ka shoko we tsiretsang re rekisa di temporary tattoo. Today, sorry Mafethu for weletsa ne. Sorry for weletsa. Sorry for yelling guys. You see this water's making noise here, so yeah. Otherwise Mafethu, today we're selling temporary tattoos. We are in Jozi, Johannesburg CBD. We are selling temporary tattoos Mafethu. Lenkulu is 50 rand, lencane is 30 rand. Uyamazi ulihleza masekathi 30 ngapha, 50 ngapha. Mahala yikho. Namhlanje there's no mahala bafethu. Kajeko arena mahala. So guys, please today I'm giving you the best content. Ke kopa le subscribe Masilva the winner. More content coming. Angithola. So guys, anyway bona. Wetsi ke nkinyaka testa phone e o re na ke iOS. Kinyaka we tsinya mo metsing. Should I test it? I think it has. Let's test this phone. It's an iOS or what? The iPhone 8 ifere yona. This phone. Hayi kusingasaba. Nkayeni kala on this video. Please give me 100k views. And then the next video I'm going to put it on the water. So kaloko baba fethu. Hololo ke halala. Kaching. Ay, mafethu. Ay kusanyiwa nyabona sesivano. Ngicela nibheke usabelo sekathengisela kuphi now?
Bruh. Capitec.
Capitec. Sishubile ke no. Capitec. Ay, it's going down bafethu.
Hey, bafethu kanyiwa.
Temporary tattoo. Temporary tattoo.
This is
Razola. So bafethu please like, share, subscribe and comment. Yeah. Don't forget it. Masilva the winner. Ding. Danko. Nangiyasabelo lapha ya. Sathengisa. Nangiyasabelo lapha. Temporary tattoo mama. It will be nice on your skin. You are scared? You don't like tats?
Just temporary.
It's just for temporary. It lasts 5 days. Damn. Asma.
Temporary tattoos?
Kyanyiwa. We're on another level now. We're on another level. It's going down, no? Damn. Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Temporary tattoo?
Dog like it's going down. You. Shit, it's high. Yo, it's going down. Dog. It's going down. What's in the seal, Lapa? Eh?
We good? What should I do?
But in it.
We good? Huh?
Yo. As you have Marlon, go get the plate, Lapa. Fuck. Isabella Nanya, cigar soup, Palapaya foods. As they won't stay for long, just like your man.
Oh shit!
Yo. Oh. Nanya lah, pernah. It's going down. Yo. Harimo Muzulunju. This is Jozi. This is Jozi. So yeah, abanye abantu ukhumbula bekho comfortable ngokuvela emafonini. Angazi siyavana.
Ya nongicanga ukuthi isehle ngithola sinala. Ngala kunabantu ababhaya via ngithola. Siyesibafisha.
Siyakhala na.
Uyasasa ngaphandle bonke bamazi usabela.
Nayile awusabza. Yatrenda ku YouTube wabakhala ngawo bathi bacela i-episode futhi. Hari boy. At lag. Ano sesiyahla siyale. Muzulu ke Muzulu jo. Yes, wanyiwe. Zidla phansi. Yabona nangiyasabelo sathengisa lapha ya. Ziyabuya. Siabuya. You don't have cash? Cash sell. Cash sell.
Okay, mama.
Now we are on YouTube.
Please tell our viewers to subscribe.
Oh, it's just us was here.
It's just us and the rest of the family on the comment section.
Oh, our next time. Robert Tagale around. I know what they.
Hey, manna.
They don't stay for long, just like your man.
Hey, manna.
Okay,
But I
guys,
don't love bites. Like guys.
Hey, manna.
Guys, I don't love bites. My sister. Yo. That's another tattoo. That's another tattoo. Mara is fine. Mara is fine.
Sashisa lo sibe sikuthi kusuka la lo.
Ununengaka. Khoma mozulu mara la ka dindonu wa bona.
okay, switch.
Obani?
Okay, switch.
Obani okay switch. Damn. Shit. Ezibuya kakhulu.
Mommy, how are you? Temporary
Temporary
tattoos.
tattoo.
Yeah, they won't stay for long, just like your man's. But I would. That's my check. Oh shit!
Damn. Shit.
That's my check. Just support Nyana 15 up, 13 up.
Temporary
But
tattoo.
you can take me, Mahala.
Abochomi karabasha, abochomi karabasha.
Okay, yeah, please tell our viewers to subscribe. Yeah, come.
Asi subscribe. Safaki video. Okuphuma ngisimanje. So yeah guys, it's going down.
It's going bananas.
It's going down, Joe. Mama Zulu ntse betha vlog. Yeah. Ngare bang so rekisa kwa maronga di number. And namna bang kan di number bante na why ba sa reki. Mami, we selling temporary tattoos here.
I don't.
It's a temporary. That's around 50 rand. It lasts for 4 days. Yeah. The fuck? Ma,
Mfanele Pitori.
ke mafano wa Pitori. Season 19.
Emasel basano ringi. Emasel basano ringi.
I am a pele. Botsa batho ba go ba like ba subscribe. Ba botse da. Ba botse. Just say YouTube. Subscribe on my Silver the Winner channel.
Check subscribe and the ring ba follow.
Ba follow, ba subscribe, ba like, ba comment, share.
Go fela.
Bete ngikhonbane.
Like, subscribe, share, comment. You know the drill ba fethu. Udanga.
Masilva di win.
Masilva de we.
Fela lu ikutlwetsa ke re mo jozi ga zola ba fethu. Ke na go ela ba fethu. One love ne. Lo le ke hala.
TikTok ora.
Kisa YouTube. Oh, ai. Yeah, re go fela. Let's go. Ai. Hot money. Sicela ubatshele ukuthi ba subscribe. Awufuni.
Man, just tell him, guys, subscribe, like, comment, share, and support my business.
Asivulele inhliziyo.
Yukuveza hot money.
One face, got a massive.
Akusamasiba. I don't care. I don't care.
Azosala intweni.
It's fine.
Azosala intweni.
It's fine.
Khotmani usele bafethu Khotmani athi yena uyasala is fine, so samshiya is fine.
Yeah.
Dog, I was impressing the record. The first time I did a video there, it's at the farm.
Yo, boy, when this looks asemakule.
Guys,
Uma Silva.
I'm not going small, Jones.
Temporary tattoo, my sister. Temporary tattoo ngapha.
Hot money magabato hlaya mo pela.
Ari bolela pilo.
It's fine. Remo small Joe. Wanyewa ke Joes. Ke Joes. Ke Joes. Awan. What up guys? I'm back. Now we are in the studio. Yo. Ke neng re le go strateng jo. Hape Razola jo. Hape Razola no re go studio no. Awan. Re go studio di ja fatshe. Sorry for well, so like I'm cammering. Otherwise, yeah. YouTube, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. No, go studio. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down.
Cho. Guys. Where's that? Cho. Ja, was jemand da? Teras Pussy. Teras Pussy. Mama Chabula wat? Ah.
Yeah, boy.
Ja,
Yo, and get ready. We sold anything.
Yo. Cho. Ja, was jemand da? Teras Pussy. Teras Pussy. Mama Chabula wat? Mama yo. Okay,
Yo, I'm fucking tired.
Cho. Ja, was jemand da? Teras Pussy. Teras Pussy. Mama Chabula wat? Mama Chabula wat?
Yo. Yeah, go over the studio. We are cooking. We are cooking the cook. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Aye. Sho. Hebuka machintwa lencane iphethe imali impilo ingcono. Oh.
Ah, boy. La mutwa box. You got to get bigger that you want to give me la. You want to give me. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Aye. Sho. Hebuka machintwa ingcono. Oh.
TikTok, bener TikTok YouTube, kita coba bang. Ada minta contoh sen, apa yang sofa. Cari di TikTok sen tuh, bener makan. Mana fresh. Sanjal lemong na.
Aye. Sho. Hebuka machintwa lencane iphethe imali impilo ingcono. Sama ninga.
Boy. Kawan gitu bong sebagai tangan. Labaran gitu bong sebagai tangan. Why in this studio di mana? Kau paling bodoh gitu. Kau paling bodoh why in this studio. Agak baik sanu, ayo go.
Aye. Sho. Hebuka machintwa ingcono. Oh.
Abang dulu. Saya. Lawan bong sama. Lawan.
Aye. Sho. Hebuka machintwa ingcono. Guys.
Music. Oh damn man, oh shit. Bafethu. Hayi, nakwetsa mai studio se re senyeditse nako join re le mo strateng jo. No bona
To get the Rex up, bro.
Wa bona le re ka etsa 500 ka jeko fela. And nako ke bo ma 3:30 jo. Antol, ke bo ma 3:30 wa nyiwa jo.
Amagatsise with the Bram, basiphathile.
Ya Bram no.
Wa tsena saloon.
Ya Bram.
Saloon.
Wanyiwa.
Hayi saloon ganyiwa, bro.
Na re tsene studio ga operator no re tla Bram. Mona temporary tattoos re kgathetse wa bona re so rekise next. Temporary tattoos ladies. Sizekseni acaba yini? Sizekseni.
Boy, no smoregile.
Slambile asikahle nokudla.
Mfana like and subscribe and share lapho.
Ngitshela abangani bathenga ama-tattoo man. Just be nice in
What must happen next?
Now we are in Bram now.
This is my old school.
Asiyabona ngihlangane nalesami njengoba uyafika school.
This is my old school. Ah, sebangibona no bayisa.
Amarazana today. Iba
Kanye.
Pasa sishele.
La motho o tlhakana le bana ba sekela no.
boy. No uyabona ama-classmate wakhe.
Abama-spectators.
No uyabona ama-watwati. Ilezi bezicrashela. Yabo lezi bezicrashela. Sizokubona nje. Akushayela. Sizokubona.
Yeah. Mara abantwana besikela.
Uzofihleka into ehambayo. Into serious.
Khona abantwana besikela nje you see.
You see, cela abantwana besikela sesisebrown. Siyakhala. Bafethu ngiyazisele Boswaga. I didn't see Boswaga. Hello. Amana, ema bramo no. Manje wabona ke bana basikela manje masilva ke fita fela. Eish. Manje. Ke bana basikela. Shit. Now it's going down. Damn. Mama, I'm already selling something, Mama.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Damn.
Masiliva.
Boswaga. Hello.
Ke masiliva bafowethu.
Batshela ba-subscribe.
Bafethu subscribe bani masiliva lona. Wenza izinto zenzeke dabo.
Hello.
Lele mfowethu.
Masilva. Hello. Danko.
No, after school no.
Ke after school.
Bantse di 30 rand bana wa.
Bana tsametse ba ngasa ka no.
Sela bantwana ma 30 rand.
Ba reke ya. Awu jo. Le tsola ka le lapila nong o bang suva. Over. Damn. Finally just got our first customer. Dog. Like, it's going down. Mama, can you please tell the people to like, subscribe and comment, please?
Subscribe and comment, guys.
Oh, no. Bona ke le rata. Ba subscribe ko Masilva the winner.
Please subscribe ko Masilva the winner.
Oh, no. Shit. Bona befethu. Ngicommentele mo lemputse for it. We want more. One dollar. So, remove bramo no. Operator no. Wanyewa. Dog, like, this journey is fucking hard, like dog.
Bana manje ngifuna pressa mina ngitshela.
Asibayamfaka umama la mtsembo wami.
Fanafaka la ebhekini ngibe ngiphusha lezi.
Ufuna ivale?
Ayizoyivala.
Ngicela ukuze umuntu avale ithathu yakhe.
Mina ngicala. We still outside ngaphandle. We just finished yo.
Ungasikhuluma singisi. I just want
We just finished mission 2.0. 2.0 looks kind of proper. It's scoring on the highest.
Ebona.
Hi.
Ebona.
Hi.
Come and look, my dear.
Hi.
We are going to go to
My sister also ithatha. Ayibuzi. Oh, so my sister. It's just a temporary, don't last for long. Just like your man.
I'm not for permanent.
Me, I'll stay permanent.
Hey, banna.
50 rand. Please tell our viewers to subscribe and like and share the video. Please tell them to comment. My sister, thank you for the support.
My sister. My sister,
Okay, go back to subscribe, like and share.
Hi guys,
Fill up the
please
conversation.
subscribe and share and like and turn on.
How was your camera? No puna lapo. Oh, what's that?
My sister.
Okay. My sister now ngapa na uyathenga my sister. My sister kadlali. Kadlali my sister. My sister sende wena. Like uthunyelwe. Uthunyelwe inkosi my sister.
Yo, another third customer. Diabo wajo. Awon. Diabo, wabon. Where do you live? Ebona bamfaka ithathu bafethu. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, do everything. Kaloku bafethu. This is the third customer, ne? The third or the second? I forgot, but let's say the third. Anton, Awon. Diabo. Alright, it's going down. Yeah.
There's no shorties today.
Yo. ngiyabona isiri ka mo salonong wa nyewa mara my sister sampana kwatile kwa na ke tsebe mara my sister is happy here sis ke mo kentsa 3 days ago sampane phila le ka jewe sampane phila so please like share and subscribe ke le tsa best ba fethu ke ka mo salonong wa nyewa ke di buff and shine ke di shine tsa di bape mona wa nyewa ba fethu ke la rata thata yo guys wa bona re mo ka ya nong tle re rekisa wa nyewa di ja fatshe yo mama please tell them to subscribe kopa ba botse
What's your YouTube channel?
Masilva the winner
Okay, Masilva the winner. Please subscribe, guys.
hololo
share,
ke re bona
comment,
ba fethu my sister
all of
fethu
that.
go thipa no one thola ntalogile excellent yaza no
With the little that I have, I tipped.
yeah o re thipile my sister one thola so online tango Yeah, sure, Bafetu. Now we're done selling everything, Bafetu. Thank you to everyone who bought the stickers, Bafetu. But it was tough. It was tough. I got to let it. I want to reflect a lot of no in a ribo wajo. In a ribo wajo. In a ribo wa. Nagar Bafetu. Araska dulang Arazule, Bafetu. Araska dulang Felabon, Bafetu. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment.